In this tutorial, you will learn the steps for adding labels to your Device Manager ACS. Begin by selecting the Administration tab, then select Labels from the left navigation bar. Labels will be pre-selected if you're coming in from some other tab. As with other Device Manager features, the green plus is present. Click this green plus in the upper right to add a label. First, enter the label text. Select the text color and shading from this palette, then click Save. Your new label is now available to be applied to devices, subscribers, firmware, users, or scripts. Be sure to watch the first labels tutorial for instructions on applying labels to various types of records throughout the Device Manager system. Note that there is a single, shared, system-wide bank of labels in Device Manager. All new labels, no matter where you intend to use them, get added right here using the same method you've just seen. It's all up to the user applying the label to choose a label appropriate for the item being labeled. If you're responsible for creating new labels, you'll want to put some careful thought into intuitive label names that make it clear which type of record in the system that the label is intended to be used with. For additional clarity, creating some internal documentation for your Device Manager users regarding your labels, describing where and when to use them, may be required. In the first tutorial on labels, we highlighted the utility of labels with subscribers and devices, but the power of labels doesn't end there. Administrators can craft bulk operations which, for instance, could activate a captive portal script for all subscribers that carry the late payer label. Or, imagine the convenience of running a firmware update bulk operation for all devices with the Chronic Problems label. Also noteworthy is the OSS-BSS integration avenue, where you may choose to categorize and key off of your subscribers in Device Manager by communities, plan type, or any other sort of label you can think of that creates efficiency for managing your operations. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. In this tutorial, you've learned how to add new labels to the system, the importance of making the label names intuitive, and an overview of the powerful ways in which labels can be utilized. This concludes this tutorial. Now go log into your Device Manager system and try out what you've learned.